good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here. And welcome to the channel. Got some exciting things happening here on the channel. Gonna take the truck in here in a couple of days or so, and going to have some mods put on. Now, normally I would do these myself, but I don't have a lot of time to do these things right now, so we're gonna hire it done. The first thing that we're doing is a TRD exhaust. And I wanted to bring you out here to the Tundra today and start it up. It's kind of a before and after kind of deal. You know, you got to do that. So we're going to set you down here behind the truck. We're going to start it up. Going to rev it a couple of times. And then after the install, we'll do a comparison, see what it sounds like. So let me sit you down here. Put you right about, well, I suppose we got to go over here by the exhaust. Let's go about right there. This is the exhaust. Hold on. There you go. There's a little, I wouldn't say it was a cold start because I did have it running about half an hour ago. Maybe, yeah, about half an hour. But there's a start up, a few revs for you. And then in a minute, we're going to, well, I shouldn't say a minute. It'll be a minute to you guys, but in a couple, 3 days or so, we're going to have the TRD exhaust put on it. And then you'll be able to see what it sounds like as compared to the stock. And I left it run here intentionally behind me so that you could hear it running. Stay tuned. Take a look at this exhaust. Truck's a little dirty now, of course. There's the driver's side, TRD on there, pretty cool. Go around here to the passenger side. Looks pretty much the same, right? TRD on there. So I'm gonna set you guys down from the back first. Start it up and let you hear what it sounds like off the back. So here we go. Give you a sound clip, I guess, from each different angle. Now we're going to do something else here. I'm going to put the camera down in front of the truck. We'll drive over it and you can see what the exhaust looks like underneath. This time we'll lay the camera down so I don't run over it or anything. There you go. Okay, there was a little bit of a different angle. Not quite sure how much you could actually see doing that, but anyway, that's what it looks like underneath. Let me lean you guys down here for a minute, and we'll take a quick trip down the road. I'll stick the camera out of the window so you can maybe hear what it sounds like while driving. Hopefully the wind noise won't be so much that it drowns out the exhaust, but we'll see. There we go. See what kind of angle I get here. Yeah, that's pretty good, I think. Okay, put that window up. That was a little chilly. Got some traffic coming at me here on a narrow road, and we have another one. Okay, cleared that, so now I can concentrate a little more on you guys. Still looking at the road, of course. Anyway, that's the new TRD dual exhaust on my 2018 Tundra. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be real curious to see how the volume of the sound comes through on the audio on the camera. Hopefully it gives you guys a decent idea of what it sounds like, and it comes through pretty well for you. I'm not sure. Supposedly this camera has a wind reduction on it, and I'm hoping that the exhaust is loud enough to cancel out the wind and you can actually hear it. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the new exhaust? If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. I can't speak. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.